Best online health insurance providers app. The pros, the cons. The Best Online Health Insurance Providers app is built to streamline your search for reliable, high-quality health coverage. Most people get this wrong by sticking to familiar brands, but here's the surprising truth: some lesser-known providers can offer better coverage, lower deductibles, or wider networks for the same cost. A major pro is comprehensive comparison. The app lists plans from multiple insurers, showing premiums, copays, prescription coverage, and in-network providers side by side. For example, someone seeking extensive mental health coverage can immediately see which providers offer the best options. Another advantage is convenience. Users can filter plans based on personal needs, budget, and geographic location. You won't believe how much time you save versus visiting each provider's website individually. The cons include potential gaps in specialized coverage. Users with rare conditions or unusual medications may need extra research to ensure their needs are fully met. Some apps may also omit regional or smaller insurers, slightly limiting options. In conclusion, the Best Online Health Insurance Providers app is a powerful resource for anyone looking to find the right plan efficiently. It simplifies comparisons, highlights cost and coverage differences, and empowers users to make informed choices. While not a substitute for professional advice in unique cases, it's an essential tool for finding affordable and comprehensive health coverage online.